Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And here I have this motor here which is 220 volts, and I'm at someone's farm. I'm trying to fix the motor for the person, so I brought a new one to replace it. So the fault with this one is that the eggs were too heavy to the extent that the gear has crossed the thread of its making. So you can see it's turning with the metal in it, which is not supposed to happen that way. So it's supposed to lock. You shouldn't be able to move it. So it has crossed thread. So what I have done is that I brought a new motor. So you can see this is the new motor I brought, and when you see I can't move it, right? I can't move it. So this is faulty, and I'm going to change it right here. And I came here the other time and she told me her bowl was leaking, so I couldn't get this anywhere. Even though I made it, it started leaking, but I made an easier one which you can do yourself at home. So that's what I did. So it's working perfectly, as you can see. That's it. So yeah, and it gives perfect humidity. So you can see 70. Yeah. So guys, this is the work I do here. And if you need any assistance, just ask below the comments, and I'll give you everything you need to know about incubators and all that. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and stay tuned. Thank you guys.